Hi everyone. In today's video, we're talking about a question a lot of iPhone users have been asking since Apple introduced stolen device protection, and that is, what can I do if I need to turn it off but my Face ID isn't working? Now, first, it's important to understand what stolen device protection actually does. Apple designed this feature to keep your personal data safe if your device ever falls into the wrong hands. It adds extra layers of verification, especially when someone tries to access sensitive settings, things like passwords, your Apple ID, or security options. Normally, this system requires Face ID or Touch ID, making sure the person holding the phone is truly you. But what happens when Face ID stops working, maybe because of hardware damage, or your face simply isn't being recognized? Many people worry that they'll get locked out of their own features, including stolen device protection. The good news is that Apple does still give you options. But the important thing to know is this: you cannot turn off stolen device protection without a valid form of authentication. This is a security measure, and it's there to protect you. So instead of bypassing the protection, what you can do is follow Apple's legitimate recovery steps. The first step is to use your device passcode, which remains the primary fallback whenever biometric authentication isn't available. If your iPhone recognizes that Face ID isn't working or has been disabled, it should prompt you for your passcode instead. Entering your passcode verifies your identity and allows you to access sensitive settings just as Face ID would. Now, if for some reason your passcode isn't being accepted, or if the phone is stuck behind security delays caused by the stolen device protection feature, the next step is to go through Apple's official account recovery. This can be done through the Apple ID website or with the help of Apple support. It's a secure process that confirms your identity using the information connected to your account, things like trusted phone numbers or another Apple device you own. And if your device has hardware damage, maybe Face ID is broken due to a drop, an Apple Store or authorized service provider can help verify your identity in person. Once you're verified, they can assist you in restoring full access to your device settings, including the ability to manage stolen device protection. The key message today is that while you cannot turn off stolen device protection without Face ID or some other valid verification method, you are not locked out permanently. Apple provides safe and secure ways for real owners to regain control of their devices. So if your Face ID isn't working, don't panic. Just follow the proper recovery steps, and you'll be able to use your iPhone normally again. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below.